You might have seen the many cryptocurrency-related Super Bowl advertisement. Some people thought they were weird or strange. But some people believe that there are financial rewards to be reaped from cryptocurrencies. If you want to get involved in cryptocurrencies, companies like Coinbase and FTX can help you do that. Some people do a full-time job tracking the ups and downs of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other crypto coins. They do this by day trading when you buy and sell coins quickly to make a profit. It can be hard to get into NFT, which are digital baubles that you can mint, buy, or sell. If you're a crypto trader in it for the long term, there are other ways to make money from your cryptocurrencies. You can stake your coins or do yield farming on DeFi networks. DeFi is a term for decentralized finance. This refers to all the services and tools built on blockchain related to finance. Staking cryptocurrency and yield farming are similar because you invest money into a crypto coin and then collect interest from the blockchain transactions. Staking is pretty easy. You hold some cryptocurrency in an account and let it earn interest and fees from the people who use it to make transactions. When those people use blockchain validators to help them make those transactions, part of the fees they pay goes to you. This type of investment has become popular. You can buy it from mainstream dealers like Coinbase. Some tokens offer interest rates of 0.15%, which is not much different from what you would get in a low-interest bank account. Other digital currencies might earn you 5 or 6% a year. You may need to stake your funds for a certain period and meet other requirements to get the interest. Yield farming is a bit more complicated than just buying and selling tokens. Yield farmers add funds to liquidity pools, often by pairing more than one type of token simultaneously. For example, if someone pairs the Radium token with UST, they might create a combined token that can yield a 54% APR, annual percentage rate. That seems like a high rate, but it gets even stranger. People who work on the rewards program get paid every day. The payments are in the form of crypto tokens. They can get more rewards or can be cashed out. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. This is also true for yield farming. Yield farming is riskier than staking because the tokens that offer high interest rates and fee yields are also the ones most likely to take a massive slide in value if the underlying token suddenly loses value. There's a term for this: impermanent loss. What you put into a yield farm might end up being worthless when you withdraw based on the market value of the token, even if you made a lot of money in fees. Some DeFi services offer leverage investing. This is when you borrow one type of token to pair with another and pay collateral you hope will be recovered by a high APY. If you're wrong, though, the entire holding can be liquidated, resulting in only a percentage back to you of what you originally invested. People who are new to yield farming should avoid liquidity pools with low amounts of money invested. This is called TVL in the DeFi world, and it tells you how much total money is in a particular liquidity pool or exchange. Just like any other type of digital service, DeFi services can be hacked or have other problems. You may have to work harder than you want to get a good income from them. You could also make money by watching the value of tokens and jumping from one type of yield farm to another, but this is similar to trying to time the stock market. It can be very risky and require more luck than skill. If you want to start earning rewards from staking or yield farming, the first step is to see if your chosen crypto exchange offers these options. Binance, FTX, Coinbase, TradeStation, Kraken, and other financial services that deal with crypto may offer staking of currencies, including Ethereum, Tezos, Polkadot, and Solana. Many different services allow you to swap tokens, add liquidity to pools, and invest in yield farms. These services are typically accessed through a crypto wallet that connects to the service. This allows you to add and withdraw funds. The income from yield farming can be very inconsistent, and it can be easy to get tempted into a pool that quickly pumps and dumps. However, many traders holding crypto funds long-term are finding staking and yield farms with more stable coins to be another way to make money from their holdings.